Assalamu alaikum, beautiful students. Today we will discuss about the reproduction in algae. Actually, there are three types of reproduction in algae. One is vegetative reproduction, second is asexual reproduction, and third is sexual reproduction. First, we will begin with the vegetative reproduction. Many small algae reproduce asexually by ordinary cell division or by fragmentation. Whereas large algae reproduces by spores, some green algae produce non-motile spores called aplanospores, while other produces zoospores. Zoo means motile animal and spores means spores which lack true cell walls and bear one or more flagella. Actually, flagella are the organs that are present for the locomotion or motility. First, we'll move towards the binary fission. Binary fission is asexual reproduction by separation of the body into two new bodies. Okay. In the process of binary fission, an organism duplicates its genetic material or deoxyribonucleicates its DNA and then divides into two parts, cytokinesis. Okay, with each new organism receiving one copy of the DNA. Look towards the diagram in which one organism duplicates its DNA. Cytokinesis begins division of cytoplasm, and at the end, division of nucleus. Karyokinesis takes place and the organism divides into two. Example: organisms that reproduce by binary fission include Bacillus subtilis, Bacillus cereus, Bacillus humilis, Escherichia coli, Clostridium perfringens, and Corynebacterium diphtheria, Amoeba, Paramecium, Eugenia, and Serratium, etc. Move towards the fragmentation. Fragmentation is actually a type of reproduction method that is asexual, where the body of the organism breaks into smaller pieces called fragments and each segment grows into an adult individual. Clear? Examples might include Hydra and Spirogyra. Move towards the Hormogonia. Hormogonias are motile filaments of cells formed by some cyanobacteria in the order Nostocales and Stigmometales. They are formed during vegetative reproduction in unicellular filamentous cyanobacteria, and some may contain heterocysts and achinids. Tuber formation. The tubers that serve as a nutrient store that allows the plant to survive the cold and later regrow and reproduce. Each tuber has from 2 to as many as 10 buds or eyes arranged in a spiral pattern around its surface. The buds generate shoots and grow into new plants when conditions are again favorable. Clear? Tuber formation have commonly seen in potatoes. Bulbil formation. The formation of bulbils is the form of asexual reproduction, as they can eventually go on to form a new stand alone pods. For example, some bulbous plant groups like onions and lilies produce bulbs in the form of a secondary small bulb. Onion and lily bulbils meet the botanical criteria to be labeled as a true bulb. Clear? What are achinids? An akinete is an enveloped, thick-walled, non-motile, dormant cell formed by filamentous heterocysts forming cyanobacteria under the order Nostocales and Sigmometales. Akinides are resistant to cold and desiccation. Clear? Move towards the asexual reproduction. Many small algae reproduces asexually by ordinary cell division or by fragmentation, whereas large algae reproduce by spore formation. Some green algae produce non-motile spores called aplanospores, while others produce zoospores which lack two cell walls and bear one or more flagella. Move towards the zoospore. Zoospores are asexual spores that are motile in nature. They use flagella for the locomotion. They are the means of asexual reproduction. Examples include spores of some algae, fungi, and protozoans. Aplanospores. An autospore is a a non-motile, that is non-flagellated aplanospore that is produced within a parent cell and has the same shape as the parent cell before release. Artospores occur in several groups of algae include Astigometophyceae, dinoflagellates and green algae. Hypnospores. Hypnospores are thick-walled aplanospores. Artospores are thin-walled spores formed by parent cell division. Clear? Monospore, a simple non-motile asexual spore in some algae exhibiting alternation of generation that is produced by a plant of the diploid generation and germinates to form another diploid plant called also as neutral spore. Example might include some red algae produce monospores, walled non-flagellated spherical cells, and are carried by water currents and upon germination produce a new organisms. Okay, some green algae produce non-motile spores called aplanospores, while others produce zoospores which lack true cell walls and bear one or more flagella. Move towards the tetraspores. One of the four haploid asexual spores develop meiotically in the red algae. Tetraspores, an asexual spore characteristic of red algae and some brown algae, dictyostales. Tetraspores are formed in groups of four in a tetrasporangium as a result of the meiosis of the nucleus. Clear? Endospores. An endospore is a dormant, tough, and non-reproductive structure produced by some bacteria in the phylum Firmicutes. In endospore formation, the bacterium divides within its cell wall, and one side then engulfs the other. Endospore enable bacteria to lie dormant for extended period over centuries. Clear? Here is the diagram that depicts the endospore. Move toward the exospore. Exospore expose are formed external to the vegetative cell by budding at one end of the cell. Exospore is another resistant bacteria produced mainly by fungi and algae to reproduce under unfavorable conditions. Exospores or exopores develop from the end of the mother cell by cell division. Move toward the sexual reproduction. Algae regenerate by sexual reproduction involving male and female gametes. By asexual reproduction, one or both ways. Okay. The reproductive structures consist of an antheridium, which contains male gamete, and two oogonia, which contain the female gametes. Gametandria. A gametandium, plural gametandria, is an organ or cell in which gametes are produced that is found in many multicellular protists. Okay. Isogamous. Isogamous is a type of sexual reproduction in which male and female gametes have similar morphology, they have similar shape and size. In this, the female gamete is non-motile and male gamete is motile. Anisogamous, anisogamous or anisogamy is the form of sexual reproduction that involves the union or fusion of two gametes which differ in size and or form. The smaller gamete is actually male, a sperm cell, whereas the larger gamete is female, typically an egg cell. Clear? Oogamous, a system of sexual reproduction in which one gamete, called the egg, is large and non-motile, while the other, called the sperm, is small and motile. Oogamy is a type of heterogamy. Compare isogamy. Rhodophyceae is it is a large group of algae consisting of about 831 genera and over 5,250 species. They are commonly known as red algae. Stay motivated. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.